Are you thinking about your garden at the first signs of spring? I am. I'm at Nix's Seed and Hardware for answers. My name is Cammie and I'm speaking with Cody.
Hi.
Hey, so what can I plant in March in my garden?
In March, potatoes and onions are your two biggest. Also, you can do cold crops like lettuce, spinach, Brussel sprouts, cauliflower.
And the frost isn't going to hurt any of those?
A light frost won't hurt, but if you do get a heavy frost on your cold crops, then it's a good idea to go out there and wash that off.
Is there anything that I need to know about the weather when I'm planting, or special things I need to do to the soil?
So if March and April are really wet, if we get a lot of rain, then you don't want to plant in that oversaturated soil. Sometimes you'll stunt those seeds or those new plants, prohibit them from coming up.
Is it too early in March for like strawberries or tomatoes?
Things that bloom and bear fruit, it's still a little early for. You'd want to wait until into May, probably about the second week of May.
All right, so I can add compost to the soil, and what does that do exactly?
So if you add compost to the soil, that will help add more nutrients to it. A lot of the time compost settles, so from year to year, your garden might be a little bit lower than it was before, so you need to add more to it in order to bring the level up.
All right, well, we can get out in our gardens in March. We don't have to wait. For more videos like this, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can put questions in the comments.